What's cooking, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jay, and today I'm going to be showing you something from my childhood, Gyeran Mari, or a Korean rolled omelette, right after this. My name is Jay, and this is BROIL LA. This episode is sponsored by milkandeggs.com. If you're in the LA area, check them out for farm fresh fruits, veggies, meats, and more. Now, one thing I love about Korean food, and you might notice if you go to a Korean restaurant, is all of the side dishes. Now, this is a side dish that you might not see so often in a restaurant, but you see it all the time in Korean lunchboxes. So to get started, here I'm beating up 4 eggs, and if you don't think you can get a smooth enough consistency just by whisking or beating it, you can run it through a strainer first. All right, so we've got our eggs strained, and we're gonna add just a little bit of water, just under a tablespoon. This will just lighten up the consistency of the eggs. Once this is mixed up, we're gonna heat up a large nonstick pan over medium-low heat. And then we're gonna take a little bit of vegetable oil. And what we wanna do is actually take a paper towel and spread that oil around. We don't want any pools of oil while we cook our eggs. While our oil is heating up, we're going to finish up our egg mixture. So to our eggs, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of very finely diced carrots, as well as 2 stalks of finely chopped green onions, and a pinch of salt. Our pan is now heated up, so we're going to add 2/3 of our egg mixture. Once our eggs are in the pan, we just want to spread it around by tilting the pan. Now, if it doesn't make a big sizzling noise, that's fine. A big part of this dish is the color. We don't want to brown the eggs too much. After a couple minutes, once it gets to the point where there isn't any moving liquid on top, we can start rolling it. Now, you can use either chopsticks or a spatula, which would probably be a lot easier, but we're going to slowly roll it from the right side to the left. All right, so once we get it rolled about maybe 75% of the way, what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna pour more oil behind it and then repeat with a paper towel. And then we're gonna slide it back very carefully back to the right edge of the pan, apply more oil to the left side of the pan, and then add the rest of our egg mixture. Once the rest of our eggs are set, we're gonna finish rolling our omelet all the way across. Once our omelet is all rolled up, we're gonna turn off the heat and then let this sit covered for a couple minutes in the pan to finish cooking. We're then gonna slice it up and finish it off with some sesame oil and sesame seeds. And there we have an amazing, quick, easy, and healthy side dish for your lunchbox or for a quick weeknight meal. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like what you saw, make sure to give it a like, and let me know if you have any suggestions for future episodes in the comments down below. You can click this button to subscribe to our channel and check out some of our other videos over here. My name is Jay, and this is BROIL LA.